Hello everybody, I hope you're doing amazingly well. Decided to step outside, get a little late afternoon sun, and nature is rewarding me again. Look at the first thing that I saw. Hey buddy. First one that I saw. Hey bud. American eagle is just making its iconic noise. Oh, it's bobbing its head. Take care. Just keep swimming. Just like these duckies. Or keep flying. Red-winged blackbird, male. Hey! Here's that iconic. There you go. So beautiful. Just happened to glance over. I'm like, oh. Sandhill crane. What's up? Hey. Hi. Hey. What you saying? I agree. It's like it's a nice night.